Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Google Imagen 3 tutorial, new text-to-image AI generation model. Right here, this is going to be Imagen 3. So basically, what's going to be inside this AI? Right now, it has two options. You can try it on Gemini if you have the paid subscriptions of Gemini Pro or Gemini Advanced. Or you can try it on Vertex AI. Anyway, Imagen 3 is going to be the highest quality text-to-image model, capable of generating images with even better detail, richer lighting, and fewer distracting artifacts than our previous models. Meaning, Imagen 3 is going to be the latest model of the Google AI. Now, these are just going to be some of the samples they have here. As you can see right there, it has also their prompt. Pretty good, right? Actually, they do not really look like AI generated. It's like they're real-like photos, especially this little squirrel right there. Now, let's try the Vertex first. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be the inside of Vertex, so have its effects. Because right now, for the Gemini, which is going to be this one, it only requires for the advanced generative images. The disclaimer for you guys is it's still going to be in the beta phase. That's why you can only use the Gemini Flash in 2.0, but the generate images, you're going to have to use the advanced. What do you mean by that? If I click this one, the same prompt, basically right there, it's going to say that it will create your own images with Imagen 3, but it will only create it if you're using the Gemini Advanced. As you can see right here. If you are finding this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Alright? Now, let's focus first on effects, since this is going to be the only one we have for now. I'll keep you posted if Gemini has released the process and generate the images for all of its users. For now, let's focus here. Same tutorial, same prompt. I'm just going to answer that one. And before I click on create, there are going to be some options here. For example, you can use sketchy, minimal, 35mm film or handmade. You can click more here. They have some more samples. And then, for the quality, of course, always choose best quality, powered by Imagen 3. These are going to be the landscapes or aspect ratios. Now, you'll notice right here is, there are very minimal or little settings because it is a really user-friendly experience. So I'm going to click create right there. You can choose two options if you want this view or this view right there. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now, these are going to be your results for a generated man holding a baseball bat. Now, before, for the previous model of Imagen 3, the edited version is just going to hover your mouse and should be around here on the lower section. Enjoying the content? Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to me. But for now, with the new update, you can only edit if you're changing your prompt. For example, generate a man holding a baseball bat. If you want to change that one to a golf club, for example, just make sure the seed right here is locked. So, their image is still going to be similar. Because if you unlock this one, it's going to create a random person. As much as possible, you want the same consistency, just a different golf club. And I think it's still going to be in beta phase. They're still testing it out. Which one's better, the brush edit or this new method? Anyway, I'm going to get back to you once I click generate for this one to see the results. Liking the video so far? Let me know that I'm on the right track. If we're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. And welcome back to the video. This is going to be the results we have right now. And as you can see, it's now wearing a different shirt and holding a golf club. Pretty awesome, right? Also, guys, if you click some more here, for example, I changed this one to a woman. It will generate a different version, of course. So I'm just going to add some more here. What if I add, for example, some 30.05 film? I just change that one for different results. If I add in here, let's just go for bleak or natural light there. And then basically click on create. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. These are going to be our results, and if you click one right there, it should be looking like this. You'll notice that natural light is there. Now, what if I change this one, for example, studio lighting, and make sure everything is the same. Everything is the same as you see right there, and basically, go to settings, make sure this is locked, and click on create. Well, we're thing right here is they call this one generative or progressive editing method, wherein you can only edit with the prompt. So they're still testing this one, as I mentioned earlier, if they're seeing if this is more effective versus the one for the edit brush. And this is what we have here. And to be honest, I really like the brush version where you can edit just by using the brush. Again, guys, this is going to be in the previous version. I think they're going to return it after the next update. And basically, that's it. This is how you use Imagen FX. Just type in your prompt, generate some more styles here, change your aspect ratio from square to portrait. This are going to be the available options. And basically for this one, this is how you have fun with it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.